welcome back to Dark Nest Travels. Today is the Coco and Walter White show, a little montage I put together of both of our travel pets. These two are really great pets. Coco likes to charge at Walter once in a while, but they get along for the most part, and hopefully they get along well in the mothership. So this is our pet episode. I'd also like to remind you that I have a third and final hint coming at the end of this video, so watch it to the end and get my third and final hint for our travel in a few months. And any of you who make a guess, make sure you comment below to let us know if you know where we're going to travel. We adopted Coco in April of 2016 from the Sanilac County Humane Society. He was a rescue, quote unquote, dog. They used him in a puppy mill, actually. He was 6 years old when we adopted him, so that would make him roughly 8 years old now. And Walter White we took into our home in September of 2013. She was one of 5 kittens on the front porch of our other house, and they each had a gray splotch on the tops of their heads, which made them look really weird. And the strangest thing about Walter White is that her gray splotch on the top of her head vanished with age. I don't know where it disappeared to, but it just left. It was replaced by white fur, and you'll see that in some of the video. So make sure you stay through the end. Thanks for coming back. Invite your friends to come along with us at Dark Nest Travels to watch our videos, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks. I hope you liked our little montage of our travel pets, Walter White and Coco. For the hint of travel this April, the library in the city we're visiting has over 50 million books. I figured that would be a cool hint for the city we're going to visit. So comment below. Thanks again for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for alerts when we post new videos, and we'll see you soon.